Hello, we're back here in Firenzecolor classroom. I'm going to show you another demonstration of a new product that we have. It's called Novalux E, meaning it's an exterior paint. It's a water-based paint, but one of the beautiful things about it, it's also a primer for one of our products, a couple of our products, for the Africa, for the Dune, the Aninimunde, and the Swahili. One thing also about this product, it's an exterior paint that is water-based that just comes from Italy. So instead of using an American paint, you can use an Italian paint. Really nice. I'm going to show you a demonstration of how to do a crocodile style. This is what we call a Krok roller. Okay? We have many Krok rollers for you guys to know. We're always fully stocked here at Firenzecolor. We're always fully stocked of our items. I'm going to show you a pattern that we invented that looks like this. Okay, this is the crocodile style that we invented. So the first thing we're going to do is use our Novalux E as a base coat for this texture. I'm going to put it on. I'm going to put it on with a trowel. You want to put it on somewhat thick, not too thin. The thicker you do it, the thicker the texture is. Always control the product. Then you're going to come back with your crocodile roller. One thing about this roller, it has a start and an ending, meaning when you start, you have to flip the roller to continue the pattern, okay? And basically when you do this, you don't want to go up and down. You want to do a little curve while you do it, to give you a little bit of texture, to give you a little bit of an authentic look on the skin. And this will give you that look with this roller. Did you notice? It was very simple to do, okay? Very easy. When this dries, it will look like this. Very simple. Now, I'm gonna put some color into it. The product I'm gonna use first is gonna be our Dune Gold. The color is 8600-42. This is the color of it. I'm going to use my sponge trowel, dip it in, and basically what we do is we're just going to rub it on there. You're just going to rub it in, and then one thing special about this primer paint, it just absorbs it and it gives you this beautiful look. Now if you notice, he's always going to give you the highs and lows. It's just the way the primer absorbs it, so that's really neat about it. But then you can put other different colors on top of it as well. So this is just with the Dune. Of course when this dries, I could give it a second coat. If you can notice the gold shimmer on it. I'll put on a little second coat, thin second coat on it. To make it just a little bit darker. Notice it's really easy. It's not a hard process to do. Gives you a beautiful look. And then I'm going to put a little goldish color on top of it, a brownish color to get it a little bit more dirty. Just very little bit. You can put it on. You could cover it all, because remember that green is very strong. Or you can put in little areas, basically like foil on it. You don't want to grab too much of it, just very little. And basically just rub it on the wall. It's not a hard process at all. And this one, what I'm using is the Africa 303. And basically I just use two colors. I use the green dune and the brownish Africa to give me this look. And this will be the final look of it, the Krok. You notice it's a beautiful, and the beautiful part is how the metallics pop through. And basically this is how you use the Krok roller, very simple. And put in two different colors on top of it. Thank you for watching our Firenzecolor classroom, and be aware for the next one coming soon, very, very soon. Thank you.